Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are starting off in my bathroom upstairs. So today I'm really excited. So the plan is to do like a little mini makeover in this bathroom. So as I mentioned before, my aesthetic's kind of changing. I'm leaning more towards like the boho, mid-century, modern type style. So I really want to dress this bathroom up, completely change it as far as decor goes, and you know, since it's a smaller space, it's not going to cost me $1 million to make over an entire room. So as I mentioned before, we do rent, and you know, as far as the fixtures and stuff in here, it's pretty old, pretty gross. I mean, the mirror is like nasty, falling apart. There's not a lot I can do about that, but I really just want to make everything in here super pretty. So the plan in here is to change the shower curtain. I got a couple wall hangings that I want to place up here, get rid of the little owl guy here. I have a new set of towels, I guess a piece of decor that I'm bringing in here to replace that. The basket staying, I like that. I want to replace the trash can, the rugs, and a couple things on the vanity as well. So these guys I actually got from Hobby Lobby not too long ago, kind of my inspiration for wanting to do the whole bathroom. I really like them. So they're just like a little ceramic basket with a wood top and the leather pool. So I have like cotton swabs in one and Q-tips in the other. So yeah, I'm gonna go now and show you everything that I got to spruce up our bathroom. Okay, so this is everything laid out that I'm gonna be putting into the bathroom. You can see I have two little like boho Moroccan styled rugs. I've gotten each of those from Gordman's. A couple prints that are just like greenery that I got off of Amazon. I'm going to be putting in these frames from IKEA. I got my little boho basket trash can and my shower curtain from Target. I got the hand towels and the amber soap dispenser from Amazon. And I have a couple little plants that I'm going to be hanging up as well. Everything that I possibly can link below, I will, in case you're interested in anything. So what I think I'm going to start doing is going ahead and putting my prints into my frames and get those hung up first. And yeah, we'll just start there. Okay, so I'm ready to start hanging things on the walls. So next I'm just going to go ahead and go through and take everything out that I'm not going to be keeping in here anymore. It's about as even as it's gonna get with me, folks. I don't know, what do we think? I don't know, it's not too bad. So in case you were wondering what I did, this little piece of paper came in the frame. So what I did was fold it in half and lay it flat against the back of the frame, and then I marked with a little dot where I would need to put my nail, and then of course hanging it up on the wall, taping it before any nails go in really helps to visualize where the frames are going to go before you have to put any holes into the wall. So I like to use my level, use my measuring tape just to make sure that we're all level and evenly spaced.